Starting the battery charge. The battery fitted to the Alpine A110 requires no maintenance. You should never open it or top it up. Before any service, the ignition must be switched off. To ensure that it is permanently operational, whatever the conditions, Alpine provides a safe solution to maintain the battery charge. Ask your Alpine representative. To start the battery charge maintenance system on your Alpine A110, open the bonnet. Connect the charger to your vehicle, then plug it into the mains. Press the mode button repeatedly until the automobile indicator is illuminated. Your battery is now being charged.